Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Adaora, and so welcome back to this kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to do a tour of this kitchen just to show you guys my setup, all the things I did to make it child proof and safe for my kids. Most times when I'm filming recipes, they're always here in the background playing, doing their things, one thing or the other. Okay, so because of that, I have some things I did to keep them safe whenever they're here in the kitchen playing. So yeah, definitely relax, sit back and enjoy the rest of this video. Let's go. This kitchen is what you would call a traditional kitchen. There is nothing glam or fancy about this kitchen, but trust me, it is so functional. It is highly spacious, it is airy, and it is made with high quality materials. I have a Formica laminate countertop. The color is confusing sometimes, like it has this color that is somewhere in between purple and blue. I can't tell exactly what the color is, but I love that color. On this wall here, I have this personalized canvas that says the secret ingredient is love, adorable kitchen. This canvas gives my kitchen this personalized vibe, and I so much love that. I got this canvas from Tailored Canvases. Tailored Canvases is a website that makes personalized canvas to suit your needs, your occasion, and whatever space you want to design the canvas for. There are ones for the living area, the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom, the nursery, your office. Just mention it. Whatever space you want to personalize, you can make canvas for it. There are different stars, different designs, different colors, different sizes and shapes to choose from. So if you are looking to personalize your space, make sure you check out Tailored Canvases. I'll put their websites and their link in my description box as well as in the comment section. And if you use the link, you'll be able to get some discounts if you make anything from this website. Another beautiful thing I love about this kitchen is the lighting. I have the perfect lighting for my videos. This is a rotatable light, meaning that you can turn this light to whatever direction. Because of the content I create, this is the perfect lighting for me because I'm able to focus the light to my subject. Over here is my sink area. I have a double sink. I love this space because when I stand here to do my dishes, I get to look out through the window. I see nature and it makes me relax. It makes me feel good. This is my cooking area. On this side, I have my black self-clean gas oven, and I have this protective knob that I got online. This helps me to cover the knob of the stove. That way my kids can turn the oven on and off. My oven door also has this lock. Once you pull this lock out, then the kids won't be able to open the door or close the door or just do anything at all with the door. I have this baby safety lock that I got online. I use this for my cabinet, especially the places where I have cleaning supplies. This does a very good job in locking up your cabinet. For my drawers, I use these safety latches. They are very easy to install. Some of them don't even require drilling or any tool at all. It just glues to the drawers. I use it for these drawers where I have sharps and my cutleries, and it does a very good job in keeping it locked up. Another thing I do is to rechannel their energy. I got them these magnetic numbers and letters, and I just let them play with the numbers. They are magnetic, so they magnet them to the door of our fridge. That way they get busy, they don't bother me. I have this lazy Susan here, and I love that this space helps me keep my pots and my pans well arranged and so accessible. Let me know in the comment section if you have a lazy Susan and what you use yours for. From the video, you guys can tell that I have lots of cabinets in this kitchen, and that gives me the luxury to keep my things very well organized and locked up inside the cabinet. I don't let my things sit on the kitchen counter and be collecting dust. Everything has a space. I have spaces for cups and glasses and all that. I have spaces for snacks, for condiments, for breakfast things. I have a pantry where I keep most stuff, but the ones I keep here are the ones we are using at the moment. Maybe in the future I will do a tour of my pantry as well. Lastly, I have this drawer here. I keep our used grocery bags here, and I reuse these bags to dispose waste. I believe every home has this drawer in their house. Let me know if you do. On this corner, I keep our fruits in this basket. I have all of that because I went food shopping a day before I filmed this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Adaora. Adaora. My name is Adaora of Adorable Kitchen. You are welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to do a quick tour of this kitchen. Bye, I love you. Bye. Bye, Ife. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Adaora and you're so welcome back to this kitchen. Leave my tripod. Oh my god, I can put video on camera. You guys should go now. Let me use you. Hey, Shimon. I can't see you. I'm coming. Go. Okay, let's try again. Oh my god. Let's try again. Can't so Biko me she say no. Oh, Biko, keep quiet. You know, go. Good boy. Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Adaora and you're highly welcome back to my kitchen. Today's video is going to be so interesting because I'm going to do a quick tour of this kitchen. Quick tour of Adorable Kitchen. You guys know that I have kids, I have toddlers in this house, so this kitchen is child proof to some extent. This kitchen is child proof and it has some safety measures put in place just to keep my kids safe. This kitchen is more functional than it is, what's the word? It's more functional than made just to make things easier for me. Okay, let's stop this thing I'm talking.